Hello everyone, welcome back to another admissions tutorial video. Last video we talked about how to submit a recommendation or transcript request through the Gateway to Prep School application, as well as how to schedule an interview through your school's individual application portal. So make sure you go check that video out. Today's video, however, is about how to submit the graded writing sample. So some schools will ask for a sample of writing that was graded by your teacher from school. Um, Ideally, the assignment would be from a language English language arts class because the teacher would have more experience and would thus give better feedback and a more accurate grade of your writing level. So, what I am going to show you today is how to submit that. Before we start, some things that I want you to know is that this writing sample would have to be submitted in the form of a PDF file. So if you don't have that prepared, make sure you have that prepared. Now, after you have your PDF file ready, then you can begin the submission process. So, when you open the Gateway to Prep Schools application portal, what you will see is something along the lines of like graded writing sample, start a blank document here, and what you want to do is click into that. Um, the first thing that will pop up, so right now I already have mine. I already submitted my application of the graded writing sample for this year, so I am going to show you using this PDF file. So, it's first going to ask for probably some basic information, which you can confirm. At that point, you probably already submitted your candidate profile, or else it will not allow you to access this document. And all of your basic information is on the candidate profile. So all you have to do is double check that all the information is correct. Next, it will ask you for the name of the course in which the paper was submitted. Essentially, what class was this paper from? And the course actually has a specific name. That's what you would want to put. Next, it will ask you to briefly describe the assignment, and they will have like a very strict word limit because they don't want you ranting on and on. In here, essentially, what they want you to do is describe what the assignment was for, what did you write about, and just some background on the writing sample itself, etc., etc. Next, you can insert your PDF file into the Gateway to Prep School application. Note that the file size has to be limited to 1 MB or less, and you can only submit one PDF file to this submission. Um, that is very important, so make sure you remember that. The Gateway to Prep School application will not allow you to upload anything larger than 1 MB, and it will not allow you to submit more than one PDF file. After that, once you're ready, you can submit it to the school. So yeah, that is pretty much it. In this video, we covered how to submit the graded writing sample using the Gateway to Prep School application portal. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for future videos, and I will see you later. Bye bye.